In this video I'm going to show you how to pin chat on Telegram. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Telegram application and here let's find some conversation. You see one conversation is pinned here already, and let's find another one. I got that one, for example, and to pin that conversation I need to swipe from the very left corner to the middle, like I do. Here two extra options is appeared. I can mark this chat as unread and I can pin that chat. Now let's check. Here it is at the very top. Every new pinned chat appears on the very top position. And if you need, you can also make the same action and unpin that chat. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.